Hi, if you're looking for an investment condo in Osoyoos that allows rentals, and you can also use it for your summer vacation or anytime you want to come here for a getaway, this is it. I'm Alina Lovin with DreamX in Osoyoos, and I'm here at Casa Del Lago, one of the most desirable waterfront complexes in Osoyoos that features an outdoor swimming pool, hot tub, private beach and lake access, and gorgeous landscaping. If you're curious to know all about this beautiful one-bedroom and a den LAKEVIEW top floor unit in Casa Del Lago or any other listings in the Okanagan, please contact me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.